The internet is, as we all know, is quickly changing our business. In some ways in good ways, in some ways in bad ways. It has become a sort of a trust but verify technology out there. The consumers are reading the internet, assuming that to some degree it's the gospel truth, but they're coming to us to verify that the information is good, accurate, and concise, and hoping that we agree what they're reading or absorbing online. This is presenting some unique challenges for us. We always don't have the product that they think that they need, or have the same opinion as to whether or not that is actually the right product for their application based on the environmental conditions that we have here in Vermont.